Hello everybody, my name is Hello. Welcome to this video series where we are solving Codeforces problems in Python. We are doing the A to OJ ladder, and in this episode we're going to be doing problem 139A, which is called Peter and Book. Let's go ahead and see how we're solving this problem. So let's go ahead and read through this problem once. One Sunday, Peter went to a bookshop and bought a new book on sports programming. That book exactly had N pages. Peter decided to start reading it starting from the next day, that is from Monday. So he goes and buys this book on Sunday and he starts reading it from Monday. Peter's got a very tight schedule, and for each day of the week, he knows how many pages he'll be able to read on that day. So for every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, Peter exactly knows how many pages he will read for that book per day, and that will be common across different weeks. So some days are busy, so that Peter will have no time to read whatsoever. So some days he won't be able to read, but we know that he will be able to read at least one page a week. Assuming that Peter will not skip days and read as much as he can every day, determine on which day of the week he will read the last page of the book. So given this particular input, so what the input looks like is they'll give you n, which is the number of pages in the book, followed by 7 different values, which will be starting from Monday up to Sunday, how many pages he can read per day. We are supposed to calculate at what day he finishes reading this book. Okay, so in the first example it's quite simple, but the second example is where we really kind of understand the code. Let me just do the first example first. So there are 100 pages, okay, and he reads 15 pages on Monday, 20 pages on Tuesday, 20 pages on Wednesday, 15 pages on Thursday, 10 pages on Friday, 30 pages on Saturday, and 45 pages on Sunday. So first he reads 15 pages on Monday. Then the remaining pages in the book becomes 85. Then he reads 20 pages on Tuesday. Then the remaining pages become 65. Then he reads 20 pages on Wednesday. The remaining pages become 45. Then 15 pages. The remaining pages become 30. Then he reads 10 pages. The remaining pages become 20. And on Saturday he reads 30 pages, but he can't actually read 30 pages because there's only 20 pages in the book. So he reads 20 pages of the book. Now the book does not have any other pages left. So he is officially done with the book on Saturday. Saturday is nothing but 6, and that is why the answer right here is 6. Okay. Now let us take another case, and this is where things get a bit more tricky. In case number 2, you see n is 2. There are 2 pages totally in the book. He reads 1 page on Monday, followed by nothing else for the rest of the week. So the Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So in the first week, on Monday he reads 1 page. There is 1 page remaining. For the rest of the week, he does not read. Okay, so 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Once this Sunday happens, again on Monday will come, correct? Again we'll go back to here. And now he will read 1 page. Now it will become, page count will become 0. So he finishes that book on Monday only, next week Monday. So the week count doesn't matter. Regardless of how many weeks it takes for him, we should just find out on what day he finishes that particular book. That is why the answer is Monday, which is 1 over here. Let's go ahead and see how we'll solve this problem. It's very, very simple. What we're going to do is, that's it. So we're going to keep track. Whatever I did manually now is what we're going to do through code. We're going to keep track of the remaining amount of pages. And whenever and for every single day, we're going to subtract that pages value with this and store the remaining amount of pages. So that will keep repeating throughout. And whenever this count becomes less than or equal to 0, we terminate that and print the corresponding day where it's there. So we will keep day counter as I. We'll set that initially to 1 to say that it is Monday. Then we'll go through this particular list. This list indexing will start from 0 obviously. So I minus 1th position of that list will give you this particular element. Because I we are assuming as 1's indexing starts with 0. So the 0th index will be first day, which is 15. Then what we'll do, using this value, we'll subtract that with n. Then we'll update the I value to +1 until it becomes 7. After which we will reset i's value to 1. That's it guys, very easy. I hope you're able to understand how we are solving this problem. If you are, I recommend you to code this yourself. If not, stick around for the code. Let's see how this looks like. Okay, so firstly, let us go ahead and input the number of pages, and let us just call this, yeah, n will be, okay, let's just call, okay, so firstly, let's go ahead and input n, which is the number of pages. Then let us go ahead and input the days of the week. This will be a list of map of int comma input dot r strip dot strip, yes. Okay, we have both of these. Now, how do we calculate? First, set a variable to point the current day, and this will be I. Initially, that will be set to 1. 1 means Monday, 2 means Tuesday, 3 means Wednesday, 4 means Thursday, 5 means Friday, 6 means Saturday, 7 means Sunday. Okay, what we'll do next is we will run a while true. So this condition will be keep looping. What we'll say this calculate remaining pages. Okay, so calculate remaining pages. What we'll do is we will go ahead and subtract. So we will subtract n minus equal to days of I minus 1. I hope you're understanding why it's I minus 1. Initially we're starting with I is equal to 1, but this is the 0th index. So every time will be minus 1th index that particular day. Then what we'll do, we'll check if n value is lesser than equal to 0, in that particular case break. Okay, else what we'll do? Nothing. See, firstly, if I equal to 7, in that particular case alone, reset I. So we'll reset I. Reset I. So I will now be equal to 1. So I will now be equal to 1, and else we can do I plus equal to 1. That's it. And now let us just go ahead and print I value, because it will break whenever this condition is triggered. Then that's it. This code is done, guys. Let me go ahead and run the both test cases. You're able to see that they have passed. Let me go ahead and submit this code as well, so that you guys know it works. I hope you're able to understand how we're approaching this problem. It's a very simple problem actually. As you can see, the problem got accepted. I hope you're able to understand this problem. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in another one. If this video helped you, hit that like button. Bye.